I'm Katie Gibb from Howden, here with a short news update on what we've recently shared on our website, YouTube, newsletter, and also what we've got planned for July. We've recently added a whole new section to our website dedicated to mechanical vapour recompression. Here you find out all about the vapour compressor technologies that we produce, including our roots blowers and our brand new range of MVR optimised ExVel Turbo Fans. You can learn more by visiting howden.cloud/MVR. We've also added a number of new videos to our YouTube channel which focus on our steam turbine family of products, our total mine ventilation solution which includes VentSim CONTROL, and also on our exciting new digital solution Uptime. Check out our channel at youtube.com/howdenvideo. In our most recent newsletter, we published the findings of our research project that looked into the factors to be considered when converting a fan to a variable speed operation. Make sure that you go to howden.cloud/updates to register for our regular newsletter. And last but not least, throughout July, we offer you the chance to learn more about our turbo compressor products and the aftermarket services that we offer by registering for our brand new webinar. You can register for this webinar and more by visiting howden.cloud/events. Here you will find a list of all the exhibitions that we will be attending throughout 2018 where you can meet our product experts in person. I'm Katie Gibb here at Howden. Thank you for watching.